Police officers in Lexington, Kentucky can stop crying over the loss of a donut truck that caught fire. Krispy Kreme recently delivered sweet treats and instant smiles. What a difference a few days can make. The company and a police escort delivered dozens of donuts to the police station, according to the Lexington-Herald Leader. The officers have a lot to smile about. NPR says the delivery was 20 dozen fresh donuts, all the same flavor, original glazed. The police department took a few pictures in front of the burnt Krispy Kreme truck, and the posts went viral, with support pouring in from police departments around the world. Even officers across the pond tweeted, "We feel your loss. We do not know what else to say." That's when Krispy Kreme took notice of the pain the officers surely felt, and a great marketing opportunity. Just like that, 20 dozen donuts turned those frowns upside down.